Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena and this is a requested video. A lot of y'all asked me how to get rid of dark underarms, these dark knuckles or your elbow. So I have this amazing hack for you. All you need is baking soda and lemon. So this is baking soda. I have about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I've used it a lot of times in a lot of my videos. I know you guys called me crazy and y'all thought, it's not good for your skin. But guys, trust me, this really works. And then you take half a lemon and then you add this to the baking soda. Now mix it really well. Apply this on your knuckles or elbows. And you can also apply it on your underarms as well. So baking soda gets rid of all the dirt, excess oil, and it also whitens your skin. So just leave it for about 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. Also, if you're not your skin is very sensitive and baking soda doesn't suit you, just apply very little amount on your knuckle or anywhere on your skin. See if there's no irritation, then you can apply it. So guys, I'll just keep it for about 5 minutes and rinse it off. And if you guys have any more tips or any other ideas to get rid of tan or get rid of dark spots, just let me know in the comment section below. And my Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, and for Foxy it's Foxy Makeup Tips. Go follow me there and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So guys, in today's video we're going to talk about multivitamins and why it's important. So we all have a really busy lifestyle. We're busy with work. Housewives also are so busy with the kids. They have to cook, and especially women, they have a lot of work. They don't take care of themselves. I know they don't eat properly. You guys don't drink water properly. So multivitamins, it's really important. And today this product is from Healthwit, which I've been taking. It's called Cinevitan. And sometimes you work so much, you're so tired, even by 6, 7 in the evening you feel exhausted. This is really important guys, multivitamins. It will boost up your energy, you'll have a better metabolism, your skin will glow and you'll just feel nice, energetic and happy. So it's very important to take a lot of vitamins that we don't from daily food. So I'm going to tell you what all this product has. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, D, E. It has zinc, it has magnesium, it has copper. There are so many good things which we don't get in our regular food that we eat. And I'm going to open this product and show you. So it comes in this. I'll show you what it looks like. So you're supposed to take 1 tablet a day. This is the tablet. I've been taking this for about 2 weeks now, and I've actually seen a lot of better results. My skin has also become quite clear, and I don't feel tired. I have good energy level, and of course my metabolism is much better now. So 1 tablet a day, every day, and this especially is for women. And Healthwit is a really nice brand. This is their latest product. They have a lot of multivitamins tablets. You can see it on Nykaa, on Amazon. You'll get it there. I'll put the link down below from where you can get this. Do try it, especially ladies, women out there. Try it for about a month and you will definitely see results. And if you have any other questions, anything related to multivitamins, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon guys. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. I'm back with another beauty hack, and this time it is going to be about how to make your eyeshadow last longer, which is a very commonly asked question, a very tough struggle, and how to revive dead mascara. So let's start with eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus. It's a setting spray. What you need is any setting spray. eyeshadow, and this is what you're going to do. So I'm just taking some eyeshadow on my brush, just like however you like normally take eyeshadow. I'm going to take the setting spray and spray it onto my brush of eyeshadow, and then I'm going to gently pat it out. You can always add more if needed. This is how much you need to do to make your eyeshadow last longer. Also, once your look is over, your entire look is over, you spray some setting spray on your entire face, which is also important. So this is usually done when, say if you're using like a pigment that you want to mix with water, you can mix it with setting spray because it stays and it lasts and it settles well on the eyelid. Or if you have like oily skin or like really greasy eyelids, this would work wonders for you. And also just in general, sometimes some drugstore eyeshadows don't have the best payout, and they also do have a lot of fallout when you take the color, and by the time you've applied it, it's kind of like fallen out. This really works like magic. For this, I've tried it, so I know, because any makeup is good makeup if you use it the correct way. So this was my eyeshadow long lasting hack, and I swear by it, and I've been doing it for years and it works like magic. Moving on to how to revive dead mascara. Now the thing is that when we're using mascara, we don't really realize if it's completely over until it actually dries out on the brush. And ideally you should throw out any mascara in say like 2-3 months. But sometimes some do last longer than that. I've already spoken about how mascara is so important. It's like the most important thing. If you're not wearing eyeliner, it's okay, but wear mascara. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, which has dried out. And it's kind of like, becoming really... There is product because I can see it and feel it on this. But it's getting kind of like, it's kind of like powdering out when I'm removing everything. So it's really simple. You need to take lens solution. So I'm just going to pour this lens solution into the mascara, like 2-3 drops. Put back this, just kind of like mix it out. I mean, if your mascara is really over, it's really over and this hack won't work, but this is towards the end when it's like kind of drying out. So I'm gonna take this. Oh, I can already feel it come back alive. You see? I think it's time for me to apply some. This is how easy it is to revive dead mascara. You need to see, I'm sure you'll figure out that if it's completely over or there's some left. Mainly this hack works when the mascara has completely dried out, even though there's a lot inside and it's just dried out because you haven't used it. This is how easy it is to revive dead mascara, and you can use any lens solution. I'm using this one because I've been using this for years when I've been wearing lenses. And this is the way you bring back, dead mascara. If it's completely flaked or powdered out, you'll know when you're removing it on the brush. I hope this video was helpful and this hack was important, good enough knowledge. I've been doing this for years and believe me, it works. I've done a couple of other beauty hacks previously and I'm going to be doing more. Do leave your comments below and let me know what else you'd like to see. Don't forget to follow Foxy's Instagram page as Foxy Makeup Tips. And you can find me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves. Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. Today I'm going to show you something super cool, which is something that I have learned over the years. I'm going to be using this cheek tint called Benetint. I'm using this one product to do an entire face. That the no makeup look actually comes from a place which is makeup that looks like skin. I know we as artists or the ones who love makeup create it very differently, and that's okay because that's the version that people like to follow. But this is something that I do once in a while for myself or at work, especially if I'm doing like a shoot and we need to keep it super minimal. So I'm using this on my eyes cheeks and lips just to create like a literally nothing, but trust me, you'll be able to tell what I'm talking about. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take this cheek tint onto my eyelids, like applying it like eyeshadow. You can just directly apply it or on your finger and then. Do you see what I see? There's actually so much product, but it looks like super minimal. The whole point is for it to look like skin, to get like naturally rosy looking cheeks. That's what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to take this cheek tint onto a buffer brush, kind of just apply it onto the apples of my cheek. Advisable to do it before you've applied any loose powder or compact. Did you know that back in the day people used lipstick like blush, and I think that's where this whole concept of the whole cheek tint originated from. Like people would just like pull out their lipstick and rub some of it on their finger and just like dab it onto their cheeks to get like rosy cheeks. And that's kind of what I'm trying to create here. Though this is a lip and a cheek tint, but I've applied some of it on my eyes. I'm just trying to, this is just something that you do to bring out this natural pink from your skin. And trust me, this could be like SOS. It's like you're out and you get called in for a meeting and you feel like you're looking like shit, and you pull out like this cheek tint and you follow these 3 easy steps and you're sorted. And lastly, I'm going to apply this onto my lip. This is literally something that a tinted moisturizer would do for you. So there you go. If you know what I'm talking about, you'll be able to tell the difference. I have created this super minimal, no makeup, original no makeup look that looks like skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had a lot of fun shooting this one. For more beauty related videos, please subscribe to Foxy. You can follow me on Instagram on Makeup and Hair by Maliha. I'll see you soon. Maliha love.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing really well. So today I'm going to talk about a really important topic, which is oiling your belly button. Guys, did you know oiling your belly button has so many benefits? I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually true. So the first benefit is it will clear your belly button. There won't be any dirt. I know we don't really concentrate on our belly button. We're like, it's just there, you know. Nobody really thinks about it, but you know what? If you put a little bit of coconut oil, it will help your belly button clean. It will be really clean. The second one is if you have stomach pain, this is like my Dadima's nuske. Just apply castor oil onto your belly button and leave it and just lie down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your belly pain, your stomach pain will actually go. And the third one is if you have any menstrual pain, this is really good too. So you can apply castor oil or a parachute oil onto your belly button. And did you know applying coconut oil is really good for your vision? It's not only for your head and your body, you can also apply it on your belly button. Let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will improve your vision, and it will also, help in your skin. It will really make your skin shine. And the last one is, guys, if you have joint pain, or even if your parents, your grandparents, if they have joint pain, you can tell them this. Apply some oil or castor oil or coconut oil onto your belly button. There won't be any joint pains. So guys, these were a few tips on how you can take care of your health and your body. Apply oil on your belly button and see the difference, and let me know in the comment section below if this really helped you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I'm also on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official, and I will see you later, guys. Bye.